English alphabet. Small letter. A for apple, B for ball. Let's learn. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for bus. B for bus. C for car. C for car. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for swan. S for swan. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for uniform. U for uniform. V for violin. V for violin. W for wolf. W for wolf. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra.